Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these white chocolate cream egg blondies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a heat proof bowl and go ahead and place in your white chocolate followed by the butter. Then place these in the microwave and melt for around 20 seconds at a time until you have a melted consistency like this. Whisk everything together until it's smooth, and it should look a lot more like this, smooth and glossy. Then add in your sugar and whisk that in until it's fully incorporated. You may find it makes the mixture a little bit more granular, but don't worry, this is completely normal. Add in your eggs and just whisk until it's fully incorporated and the consistency will go back to a much more liquidy state. Then you can add in your vanilla and whisk until that is fully incorporated. Once that's incorporated, you can then go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, followed by the chocolate chips, and just mix and fold those in until you have a clear batter. Being careful not to over mix at this stage, as otherwise it will ruin the end result, as it'll make it too tough textured. Transfer the blondie batter into your 9-inch square cake tin, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and just level it off as best as you can. This will help to ensure a consistent bake while it's in the oven. And again, just take your time and get it as perfect as you can. I will always leave all the baking times, temperatures and everything else you need in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. So once your blondies are out of the oven, you can go ahead and finish them off by placing your cream egg halves on top of the blondies. I like to make sure that each piece of blondie or each slice has a cream egg half in, and for me that was 9, so you'll need like 5.5 cream eggs, but feel free to do more or less, really it depends on you. Then just to fill in some of the blank gaps in between, I just added some white chocolate chips just for added flair. Place these into the fridge, let them cool, then place them into the fridge covered, and then you can slice them up later on. I like to leave mine overnight as it makes them much denser and easier and much more fudgier to, for texture and to slice up. So once you're ready, you can then slice them up. Again, mine are in 9, but you can go with 8 or however many portions you really want to. So here are what the blondies look like once they have been baked, cooled and decorated. As you can tell, it's quite a dense blondie, and this is the only way a blondie should be. A blondie should not be cakey at all. As you can tell, you've got the studs of chocolate chip in there, and you've got the, this was the perfect consistency and perfect texture for blondies. And as you can tell, it's just perfect. Why not? So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.